Alrighty, my friends. How are you? I don't actually talk like that. That's really weird. But come to the stream. We're going to be trading. Look at that. Realized $6,000, but I lost like three yesterday. I don't know, one and a half today. What is going on? But I turned $30 into 300. I'm making money. This is so confusing, Josh. Oh, I should have done one of those videos. Dang it. I could have done a video with a med. But I want to explain this for you guys. I've realized this. Why am I losing money and why am I so happy in that video? You guys, I want to explain that for you because some of you are like, I want to make sure you guys aren't going too crazy on here because here's the thing. I'm losing on one play. It's the Facebooks. You guys saw me make the video. I said I'm going to short it, and all I'm doing is averaging down on those. And then I'm also losing on just some of these weeklies here and there, but pretty much I'm losing on my unrealized. I haven't, that's why, again, why am I not too pissed off? Because I haven't realized these losses. So we're going to talk about that, but what I want to talk about here is rolling, and we're going to look at CGC. I did this play, so let me know. What do you guys want? Do you guys like these videos on the computer screen, or do you like it when I shoot it with my camera? Because I want to show you my other computer because I did multiple plays. This is the other account. So you guys, if you watch the stream and you go to the YouTube account, this isn't the YouTube account. This is the other account on the YouTube computer. But what's happening here, I played it on that account as well. I did the same plays. I mirrored it, but I also got it at different times. Actually, I bought it first on this account at 55 cents, and then when I saw it get cut in half, when I liked it, I set it on the stream on the 7th. That's when we went and we bought it again at 38 cents. So we got another one of these contracts. I sold it early on the other account because I bought it cheaper. Then I sold it a little later here. So that was one play. But then what I want to talk about is the next play. So essentially what I did here, I got a 30 call and a 35. These are weeklies, and I have to say that. So before I even say the disclaimer, like the video. It helps out tremendously. Show some love. Come to the stream. I appreciate all of you guys, actually. It's been a lot of fun. So that's why I want to show you guys this stuff. I want you guys to get better. I think you are getting value out of this, and that's, showing you this. Be realistic. This is where I'm getting you with this disclaimer. These are January 11th contracts. I said it on stream, man. What you guys are watching here is tantamount to gambling, like straight up pure gambling. Now, it's funny. You go put CGC on Twitter. Canopy growth is interesting right now, and I love reading some of the comments on Twitter, but there's a lot of things going on behind it. But I think the kicker, when you see it on the volume, remember I said in a video, I said with Tilray's not doing it. I thought Tilray would have got some of that bigger push, but the volume's coming in, but it looks like CGC's getting it. But I think CGC was mentioned by Cramer, so I think that is what is giving it a drive. But the main concept here is how to go about playing the options. So I don't think I said the disclaimer fully yet, but what I'm trying to let you guys know, these options are risky, and I still have some, and that's the best part because I'm pretty sure if you guys remember, we bought January 18th Tilrays, I'm pretty sure. Or no, those are Tilrays. See, not CGC, but I got some on this account. I have one more I'm holding, and I rolled over. That's the thing I want to show you guys. So where's the option chain? I rolled over again. So I sold out of the last set today, and as you can see here, I bought them, and it's so weird using it because it's a whole different platform setup. 34 cents, and I sold it for $305. So that's 1,000% gain. And let's see, it's $30 to this. Why did I do it? How did I play it? So I want to talk about rolling. Now, if you guys are new to options trading, what rolling is, there's two different types. I want to show you how I did it and how it's recommended. So pretty much you could go to a position. I think even on the option chain, you pretty much could do it where you press a button on any open order and you could just say roll positions. And what that means when you do a roll position, all you're doing is exiting one position and then buying into another position. You're rolling it, right? You keep it going. But now there's different factors that change. So that's what happens with how a rolling over, if you did it sometimes through your broker and you do it, it's selling out of your call and then buying into something right away. So in this case, it would be like me selling, well, let's see. Look, and this is exactly what I did. And I want to show you how I did it in a different way. Instead of buying and then buying something, selling out, and going back into it, I did them at different times. But essentially, you see the concept here. I bought this on January 2nd. It expired January 11th, right? A 30/50, $55. By January 9th, it was at 261, and I sold it. Now, that was it. The play's done. 59 bucks to 261. I could have walked away with $200 profit. But now I said, hey, I'm up. I still want to get in the action with CGC. So I believe I was in the money there too. And you guys could see it just kept going up. Where was it? January 2nd. So yeah, you guys see here January 2nd, but then by January 9th, I had a 30.50. I was in the money. I think it was like $1-2 and it just kept going. But then I sold out from there, but I still wanted to keep going. So now on that same day, the 9th, after I sold out, I did this on stream. I let everybody know I rolled over. And what I did, I went and I bought now. I sold out of the 30.50 and I went to the January 11th and it was still out of the money at the time. So the stock's probably like 31 and I got a $38 call. So out of the I netted $200 and then I put 38 back into another play further out of the money, same contract. And what happened? Next day it went up and I sold out today, took 262. And then what did I do again? I waited today and I waited a little longer. The contracts dropped and I went and I bought, I think, a 39. So what I do, see what I'm doing? That's what rolling is. It allows you to play something, but also taking profits. Because right now along the way, I already now was playing the January 11th. I was playing the calls on CGC. I haven't even got any puts on it. What I could do now is as it starts to just keep going up and up, I've made 500 bucks. I only put now on that next rollover. I still have a call for tomorrow. We get to gamble on it just in case it goes, go read the Twitter. People are like, it's landing in my pocket with Gucci vouchers. If it goes crazy and we see the weed stocks go nuts again. And again, I said this on TLRY, pay attention to it. I said this I thought TLRY, I was wrong on TLRY. I thought TLRY would do it, but you're seeing the hype come back. But it's interesting to see really with all this weed news, but I'm still in it. But now worst case scenario, even if I get an opportunity to play it, I've controlled my capital. I still have $500, $459 net. I walk away with that. Boom. There's no way I'm losing anything else, or I lose that 30 bucks. I'm going to, take away $38 off of this one, and I'll walk away with like what, 420 Elon funding secured. But that is what rolling over is, and that is the point of it. It's allowing you to play something, take profits, manage your risk, and this is what I recommend for all of you, especially with the weeklies and timing. Don't be hesitant to sell these because, again, the disclaimer is this is gambling. These weeklies will burn your money. So this is why I'm doing it, especially now with the weed stocks. If you've played any of these weed stocks, they're very, very volatile. When you have your money, take it. This is how I've got to do it. Could I have made more money? Realistically, here's the thing. Let's go now. And this is what I want to show you. Let's compare the options. I could have bought the first contract, right? The 30.50. If I just held it to today, I would have made I would have bought it for $38 or wait, 50 bucks. I would have bought this same contract, right? 55 bucks. I could have sold it right now. End of day today, 7.15, 7.10. Geez. So that'd be like what? $650 profit. At the end of the day, I made $450. So I could have made 50% more gains, but compared to the risk all the way through every stage now, my max risk was really always 30 bucks when it was all said and done. So in that case, now, if I wanted to hold it, there would have been times where I would have been up 1,000% already on that contract and just been holding an open contract with a gain. All the while you sacrifice. And that's the thing with rolling. Unless when you roll over, you going to different strikes, you're trying, the whole idea is to put money in your pocket to keep your hand in the cookie jar while with less money. And that's what happens. I do this on the Amazons a lot, and you got to find the finesse to this. So, because what I will tell you, let me give you the other side. What a lot of people end up messing up on rolling over. They do the rolling over where they sell an option, and then right away they buy back into it. If you do that, yeah, sometimes you're lowering the cost basis, but it's just this fool. Sometimes it might be better to just hold the option. It's about timing, because the biggest issue you can make with rolling over is sometimes it'd just be better to sell out and buy back in a couple days later. But sometimes people roll over and it really bites into their profit. Now you could have made 500 bucks, then you roll over to another $500 contract. By the end of it, you only made 500. It kind of could just take away from your gains. And I've seen that happen a lot. So make sure you paper trade this, make sure you practice with it, but you get a hang of it, it'll work pretty good. But now in these cases with volatility, you see how the market is, you see, why'd I do it with CGC? To volatile weed stock. That's what you do. I'll take the premium. It's like insurance. Essentially, that's all it is. Even though options, we got to talk about that. It is insurance, but you got to find the finesse. I think I got to make something, we might have to make you guys like a weekly option booklet or something. We should make the weekly option Bible with a wob week, the wob, 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 wob. Sorry. Yeah, you guys, it's important to know, but again, be careful with the weekly. So now what I will say with CGC, there's going to be a lot of premium. There might be both selling premium opportunities, but start playing around and rolling over sometimes to here. But some of these aren't too bad, and we'll see how it reacts. But IV next week out, and see how this space goes. But a lot of you, be careful. If you do not know how implied volatility works, like these are all, honestly, none of these are opportunities. You got to wait and snipe. People are coming on stream. Be very, very smart, you guys. Be careful buying stuff. Here, remember, go through any of my videos. Really, if I could give you one tip that will save you money, right? This is the best thing to learn with options. Just don't buy this right here. Don't buy that. You see, 1, 2, 3 days ago, if you could count on your fingers, right? Or look, if you could just see that it was really, really low and went up, do not buy it here. Do not be this guy. You're not allowed to. That's it. Just think of me. Just my face. It's not even, look at, you could put whatever image you want to Josh Answers right now. But I'm just think about me. Don't do this. That's not what you want, okay? You want to be this guy. You see, it was high yesterday. Buy on the bottom. That's better. Even if you're wrong, who cares? Be wrong, but it's better you bought that than this, because honestly, your odds of making money are higher buying that. So believe it, just don't be the guy spending a lot of money. And that's the number one thing with this. So it's going to be excited. I'm going to be excited to watch all this. Let me know if you guys have questions, and be smart. If you guys are losing money, if you've lost a lot, take a step back. Again, my big thing, I'm focusing on a few plays. If you've been in the stream, I'm focusing on plays, and I haven't realized it. So if I'm taking big losses and I haven't realized the losses, what does that mean, my friends? It means one simple thing. It means that I haven't sold them yet. I could average down and I have time. That's it. That's why they're holding value to me. I just took, you guys heard me. I wasn't playing around when I said I'm taking fat positions on Facebook puts. Why do you think I could be down 3, 4, 5 grand every single day? And then again, I'm buying more and more. I have my idea, but now again, that doesn't mean you guys could play it, because just like rolling over on the weekly contracts, if you're trying to hit it on the weekly and don't have time, you could burn your money even if you average down. I might make a video. I think I'm gonna post that. Let's see if I could get that out tonight. Ooh, I'm gonna see. I don't know. Maybe we stream. I might have a late night stream. All right, we'll just talk about it. No, we're gonna talk about it live on stream. I'll show you guys live, because I want you guys to kind of see something with rolling with the weeklies. Like with Amazon, I talked about it. It didn't move, So if you didn't have enough money to average down, some of you can't. That's why I said it today on stream. I get these puts and I wait till they drop. Why do you think I'm so excited? Because some of them are down now 70, 80%. That's a big, and I'm like, yes, because now when I could literally get 5 times more of the contracts, average down, or get way closer to the money. That's where you little guys, this is where you guys want to start. Just come in there and get in that, because now they're cheaper. So, but if you were spending money and buying puts and you're down here, I see some of you. That's why I'm worried about you guys, okay? I don't want you to lose your money. Remember, that's why you paper trade. I'm telling you guys, if you want to learn this, but if you're playing with your real money, you want to go on off somebody on YouTube and you can't explain it, realistically, that's not a good move, man. So paper trade, learn until you get the hang of it. If you are experienced, you get what I'm saying here. And even then, if you do need assistance with it, but go slow, you guys. Here's the best part. Look how slow this has been. Look how slow it's been to drop. Look how slow it's been to bounce in every single day. Some of you guys are like, it's boring, it's fast, this. You got time. The stock market's not going anywhere. 2019, man, it's great. Aren't you guys excited? It's only 10 days. That's fucking slow, man. We got time. Look at how much has happened in the market. So you guys paper trading, you're not going to miss out on anything. That's, it's an illusion. Fear of missing out. You'll be good. So have fun and be smart. That's what I'm saying. When you guys are in the right mindset, you're going to be able to learn better. And if you're not pissed off that you're losing money off of, just play around. Some of you guys wouldn't even play a video game without playing like through the tutorials and shit. But then you will go in the stock market and just throw money down. So I don't get it. Some of you are really about instructions and practice. So same thing applies here. But I love you guys. I'm going to see you tomorrow. Let me know what you think. What do you guys think about the weed stocks? Where do you think this is going? What do you think about Canopy? Who got this? Who's in it? Where y'all at? Who's ready? What do you think about these videos? Let's go. You guys think I'm crazy. I love you.